All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome to the vlog. Hey, what day is it today? We're here with the homie Edwin.
What up, guys?
We're about to wash the whip. I'm about to give you guys a tutorial of all the products I use and how I wash my car and everything else. And you can see his clean ass 335 right there.
Nah, it's dirty, man.
It's a manual though. You guys don't know about the manual. Damn, look at that. The bloody guts in the 335. Sheesh. That's 6-speed though. Guys, this interior is spotless. Like, oh my god, bro, this shit is spotless. And look at that MHD right there. You know what he's running. Yes, sir. Sheesh.
It's slow, bro. N55, man. You know, I wish I was N54.
Wish.
N54 for the win right here.
Bro, you're reliable though, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Look at these LCI tail lights. They're so clean. Sheesh. M Sport rear bumper coming soon.
Yes, sir.
He's about to pop his hood, and we'll see what's going on right now.
It's just an N55. It doesn't really have much done to it. All it has is a charge pipe from the cold side, right?
Yeah, cold side.
Cold side charge pipe. Muffler delete, and that's pretty much it. But I did get MHD, as he did show you, and it's stage 1 right now, just 91 octane, stage 1. I was gonna go stage 1 plus, but I want to get my front mount intercooler and downpipe, catalyst downpipe first. So yeah.
Stay tuned for the channel because we're gonna be installing it right there in the garage. This should be a cool day. Oh, show off the T. I didn't see that. Broke booster broken. Follow the squad.
Yes, sir.
Because we all have turbo cars and we're all broke. M Sport front bumper. Sheesh. All right, guys. We're about to wash the whip. I'm gonna pass you guys over to the next clip. So this is what I use to wash my car at the moment. We're about to get started. I use this little kit right here. It's called the Armor All, the 10 item things to have like a perfectly good car wash. I use Chemical Guys soap right there, as you can see. It's the watermelon one because it smells flight. My foam cannon and my pressure washer. And yeah. And I should pass you guys over to the time lapse right now. All right, guys, so once the foam is applied, all you gotta do is just back and forth throughout the whole car. You should be good to go. Now the homie Edwin's about to wash his car. Guys, so I'm vlogging and it's still not done uploading. It's been uploading since 11. Oh my gosh, bro. Ugh, takes forever.
If I rip it up, pretty high.
Wash. You guys peep that? Damn, the space gray shows so much better in the sunlight, how clean it is. You guys saw the wash, and I hope you guys enjoyed this day 1, and I'm gonna pass you guys to day 2. Look at those rocks, they're so weird. Wonder how they're made. Are they dead dinosaurs?
Don't put that in your mouth.
What the? That's a car, that's a Mustang. Hey guys, how's it going? We're home. Picked up the goodie. If you know, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna move all the cars, which is already done. I'm gonna move mine to the middle and then I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. So I'm gonna get you guys over to that right now. Guys, look at the beauty. Oh my god. A little bit about the product. This is a carbon fiber M3 hood. It is designed to fit the 335, E92, E93. If you guys don't know, the E92 is the coupe, E93 is the convertible. So yeah, it should be a pretty fun install. And just, god damn, look at this. Dang, man. It looks so beautiful. It's gonna look so nice on my car. Let's get it on right now. All right, guys, so first step you wanna do is you wanna get a flat head and you wanna point it right there at the supporting strut. Get it in right there and you pop it off like that. And then at that point, you just pull out the gas strut like that and it comes loose and you do it to the other side. If you're doing this alone, I recommend after it's off like that, because once it's off, you can tell it's off because it's up like that. It's not flush right there. So once you get this off, put it back on, but don't tighten this part. If you're doing this by yourself, this is just to keep the hood up from falling, so it doesn't literally just slam on your face once you take off the bolts. Same thing on the other side. Supporting strut right there off, pull it off, and then you get the bolt right here and this bolt right here. These are 11mm bolts, by the way. So yeah. All right, guys, everything is loose, as you can see. I put these blankets there because I'm doing it by myself, so I don't want them sliding and hitting something. That's just for support. That side too. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the screws and see how it goes. All right, as you can see, all the screws are off. Just gotta finish getting that gas strut in and I'm pulling it out. By the way, this roof is hella heavy. Hey, we got the roof off. No damage. Yes, sir. Hey guys, so once you put on the new hood, you mock it up, you put in the screws right there. On that side, I have my little brother helping me because this thing is impossible with two people. After that, you grab your top ones and your side hinges, you measure it up, and that's it. Put everything back to how you got it. Hey guys, got a little bit carried away because I was too busy doing this thing, put on the latches, but everything is lined up, but it won't close. I'm having a big issue closing. It's so annoying. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna keep messing with the latches and hopefully it just clicks. All right, guys, I just got it to fit. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Pop the hood up. As you can see, popped up. Yes, sir. So what I'm gonna show you guys is that if your hood isn't fitting all the way, it's because you're not gonna get the exact same depth of an OEM hood, because let's be real, they're made different. Like nothing's 100%. So if you're installing a carbon fiber hood, make sure when you put in the latches, which are these metal things, make sure that once you tighten them all the way, if it doesn't latch, loosen them up a bit. It just won't close because it's not getting enough clearance. But I loosened it up. I think that's like 70, like out of 100%, that's 75% tight because it's a pretty big screw. And look, it closes perfectly. Okay, so I will not be running a gas strut because I don't know why this thing won't come out. That's just me. And I'm tired of trying it. Quick recap. You need 11mm here and 11mm there. You pop up the gas strut that is right there. 11mm, 11mm. You pop up the gas strut, take them off. And then once you take off the whole hood, you take off the latch, put this on, and that from the other hood. Make sure you take pictures so you know how it fits. And yes, that's about it. It clears, boys. All right, guys, just parked the car, finished putting on the emblem. It ties up really well. The car looks really nice. Like, look, let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. And the car looks really tied up. Like, it looks really well. The BMW logo is kind of bugging me. I kind of really do want a carbon fiber one, but I don't see the point because this car will be going in for wrap soon. So it's just whatever. This is gonna end up looking really nice. And yes, I am wrapping the carbon fiber. I'm not a big fan of exposed carbon like that. It's whatever. It looks nice, don't get me wrong, but full one color, it looks a lot better. But yeah, shout out to my boy Alex at Carbon Creations and Extreme Dimensions. They're the ones that made me the hood. Alex was the one that hooked it up for me. Their links will be going down below. You guys should shop with them. They're really cool people. Their products are really well. Look how it fits. It fits really good. Like, I will be throwing up close shots right now so you guys see. And yes, it fits really, 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 really good. So yeah, give them a follow. DM them if you guys need anything. And like always, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one.